friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making chicken and mushrooms in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, I have 1 pound of mushrooms, 1 pound of chicken, olive oil, and for my seasonings I have salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, and you can use any seasonings you like. So before cooking it, I already washed the mushrooms. I'm going to slice the mushrooms and cut the chicken into small pieces and then season them and air fry. So I'm just going to slice mushrooms in smaller pieces. And now I'm going to add sliced mushrooms into the bowl. Bowl makes it easier to toss everything with oil and seasonings. And now, next I'm going to cut the chicken into pieces. And now I'm going to add sliced chicken to the mushrooms. So next I'm going to add oil and seasonings to chicken and mushrooms. So I'm just going to add some oil. If you like the exact measurements, I'd say it's about 2 tablespoons. So you can use less oil, totally up to you. It just helps makes it more crispy. And then season with your seasonings to taste. So I'm sprinkling with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. And now I'm going to toss everything so it's coated with oil and seasonings. And now I'm going to put everything in the air fryer. Take out the air fryer basket and put chicken and mushrooms in the air fryer. Put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and shake chicken and mushrooms. You can also use a spatula to stir it. We just want to redistribute it so it cooks more evenly. And now put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this chicken and mushrooms. It looks amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Now I do recommend just cutting the largest piece of chicken in half and just making sure it's cooked inside, because all air fryers cook slightly different. So if the chicken is not cooked, just put it back in the air fryer for a few more minutes. But mine is perfectly cooked, and 15 minutes was a perfect amount of time to cook both chicken and mushrooms together. how good it looks. Now at this point, if you'd like, you can always add a stir-fry sauce to it and just mix it together. You can add barbecue sauce or salsa, or you can just eat it as is. I like it this way. It's so healthy, so delicious, very simple. So let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So let me just cut the largest piece of chicken, just see how it's cooked inside. So I'm gonna take the mushroom. Now I'll take a piece of chicken. So soft, so moist, so juicy, and perfectly seasoned. It's cooked to perfection. Air fryer is so good for making such quick and easy recipes. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!